Hi everyone, today's headlines. Kohima DTF prepares for COVID third wave. Nagaland records 86 new COVID-19 cases, more than 2.47 lakh in India. 13.55 lakh doses of COVID-19 vaccine administered in Nagaland. SIT throws light on progress of probe, all finding documented. Bikaner-Guwahati Express derails in West Bengal, killing 5 and injured 45. Covaxin now a universal vaccine for adults and children. News in details. Kohima DTF prepares for COVID third wave. In view of the surge in COVID cases in several parts of the country, Kohima District Task Force on COVID-19 has discussed the current situation and preparedness for the third wave. The issues were discussed during a meeting held under the chairmanship of the Deputy Commissioner Grigory Tejaveli in his office conference hall in Kohima on January 12. A DIPR report stated that the DTF with the past two-wave experience was well prepared with facilities set up at NHAK COVID care centers, testing centers and other medical centers for any eventualities. The DTF also decided to take up activities for preventive measures in the district. On the agenda of social health responsibility, CMO of Kohima, Dr. Vezugolo, informed that the Omicron variant has very high transmissibility where patients with comorbidities could be easily infected. Therefore, stressed on the importance of finding out the number of comorbidities among the community. In this regard, DTF has decided to hold a meeting with all the wards and panchayats in order to tackle the situation in a more effective manner. Nagaland records 86 new COVID-19 cases and more than 2.47 lakh in India. Nagaland recorded a single-day rise of 86 COVID-19 positive cases on Thursday, taking the state COVID tally to 32,616 and active caseload 287. The state cumulative recoveries increased to 30,456 with the recovery of 17 patients in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, the death toll remained unchanged at 687 with no fresh fatalities reported on Thursday. 13.55 lakh doses of COVID-19 vaccines administered in Nagaland. As many as 13,55,991 doses of vaccine, Covishield and Sputnik 5 have been administered in the Nagaland as of January 12, 2022. According to the data provided by the Department of Health and Family Welfare, a total of 13,49,486 doses of Covishield and 7,64,697 first dose and 5,84,789 second dose have been administered in the state. Meanwhile, a total of 6,505 doses of Sputnik 5, 3,519 first dose and 2,986 second dose have been administered. SIT throws light on progress of probe, all findings documented. The special investigation team which is probing the Mon killing incident on Thursday threw some light on the progress of the investigation but said it is yet to receive report from the Central Forensic Science Laboratory in Guwahati and Hyderabad and National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology in Kohima. It came a day after Nagaland Chief Minister Nefidio told media persons that the SIT, which was given a month time to complete its investigation on the killing of 14 civilians by the security personnel, is awaiting forensic lab results for finalizing its final report. Addressing a press conference on Thursday evening at police headquarters in Kohima, ADGP Sandeep M., who is supervising the probe led by a host of officers, highlighted the status and the progress of the investigation. The official informed that following the unfortunate killing incident, a suo motu first information report was initially registered at Tizit police station and subsequently on December 5, the government constituted an SIT headed by Limas Sunab Jamir, IGP as the chief investigating officer and a team of officers with the option for the SIT to cooperate more officers, if required, within the 1-month time frame to complete the investigation and submit its report. Bikaner-Guwahati Express derails in West Bengal, killing 5 and injuring 45. In a massive tragedy, the Bikaner-Guwahati Express of the Northeast Frontier Railway Zone derailed near Domahani of Mainaguri in northern part of West Bengal, leading to the death of 5 people and leaving 45 injured. It is a very unfortunate incident. We are currently focused on rescue and relief operations. A team has already reached the spot with gas cutters. Senior officers are at the spot. I will reach the site soon. Union Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav said. The Indian Railways has announced an ex gratia relief of 5 lakh for the deceased and rupees 1 lakh for those severely injured and rupees 25,000 for people with minor injuries. 2 NDRF teams and BSF have been pressed into action for rescue operation. The State Disaster Response Force and firefighters are also aiding the rescue operation. Covaxin now a universal vaccine for adults and children. In a major breakthrough for India, indigenously developed anti-coronavirus vaccine Covaxin has now been recognized globally as a universal vaccine for adults and children. Covaxin is now a universal vaccine for adults and children. Our goals of developing a global vaccine against COVID-19 have been achieved and all product development for licensure has been completed, its manufacturer Bharat Biotech said in a statement on Thursday, according to the news agency ANI. As per the latest available data, Covaxin accounts for 12% of the total COVID-19 vaccines administered in India so far, since January 2021. Covaxin is the only COVID-19 vaccine administered to youngsters in the age group of 15 to 18 years, the vaccination program for whom began on January 3. The announcement comes on the day the Hyderabad-based Indian pharmaceutical company urged the Drugs Controller General of India to give a regular market approval for its COVID-19 vaccine. That's all for now. To get this latest news, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.